Welcome to the Bitcoin price. I'm on the daily time frame. Just to tell you guys that this is obviously a downtrend right on the daily. It's clearly that we are laddering down, but also holding this previous level. Okay, the daily candle here hold it 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It didn't even went to the greedier side of that candle, so it didn't went to the body. Okay, just all the wick for the 4th time. We really need to hold that level, and as you can see here, we might see a reverse because we hold. Sorry, we hold this daily. Okay, we didn't went to the body. We just hold the wick, so that's a little bullish. This candle, it's kind of the next support. We have the greedier side here, but I really want to go above the body of this candle. So that is the candle that touched the previous support. It might turn into the next support, but we really need to go above that. Otherwise, we have this one here, but this is the greedier side of the daily. I really want to hold that next candle, okay? And if we go to the 4 hour, let me just zoom in. Okay, I'm just going to focus on this range here. Okay, because it is the range that we are right now. We have a clearly downtrend, right, on the 4 hour. We also have a we have an uptrend also on a 4, but I don't like this uptrend because we deep dive this support, right? We hold it 1 time, probably 4 there. We hold it more, 1, 2 times maybe on a 1 hour, much more times, not really important. We also hold this 4 hour for the 3rd time, I believe. Well, this doesn't count. We deep dive that also. We hold it 1 time, 2 times here, right? The body here and the wick over here. Okay, not really important right now, but we need to understand that we are holding a lot of times the same candle, so the same support in the price might just break down. Okay, a bullish side here for Bitcoin is that we have this range for our downtrend here, the yellow line, and as you can see on this little range, we really tried to break up. Okay, it went to that polarity level from the past. Okay, the dashed yellow line here. This was the one that brought the move to this bottom, 5% down after having a little break of that previous side. So that turns into a polarity level. And as you can see, we have a big fast move down here also after testing that level. So that's a perfect test. I even have the 1 hour over there as a polarity level. It might not be that important in the future because we are just holding the 4, right? It's also a polarity level, as you can see, but it was for this range, right? The price went from yeah, 4% down. Not really that fast as this one, or as yeah, it was a really big dive here. So nothing like this one. This one kind of hold it something in the past year, and it tried to break up again. It wasn't able. This one it just bringing the price down, right? So if we go to the 4, okay, sorry. We don't have any 4 hour untested candle here, okay? Just this one that we created yesterday. So this is a 4 hour untested candle, but it's kind of the last 4 hour untested support. And if we go to the top, and this is why I'm kind of just a little bullish, right? There is no 4 hour here that is not tested unless the last 4 hours, okay? The last 4 hour candle closed here. It's the last resistance candle that was not tested. If we go to the 1 hour, obviously we have some untested candles, but I don't believe that we might see a big reaction on them, at least on this one, because we already tried to break up, right? It was tested multiple times here. And we have this big candle here. I'm actually going to mark the body. We might reject the wick, but I'm gonna mark the body because this candle is really big, okay? It's 1% in just 1 hour. And after that, we created that big polarity level. So if we go to this polarity level again, sorry, let me go to the 4, we might just see two things, okay? It's obviously that we can still break down, okay, and still hold that level as a polarity level, not as a resistance candle, because that was tested multiple times already. And we still have the downtrend on a 4. So I don't like this trend anymore because the price tried to break up. And if we go there again, it might just break up, right? The only problem is this polarity level, because if we break up, we're probably going to see a big reaction. And if we see a big reaction here, we might just go to the next polarity level, the previous range, right? And this is almost 3%, I believe. Okay, 3% move up. And just from that polarity, the only thing that I kind of don't like about this polarity level, if we hold it again, if we hold it down, we might not have anything here that can hold the price. So if we break this range and if we go to the daily, sorry, we might go, well, we might hold this again, okay, because this candle was tested multiple times and we still didn't went to the greedier side of this candle, the body here, and probably on a 4 hour we also have something, yeah, untested candle here. Okay, let me zoom in. I'm gonna mark this one here. We might hold this 4 hour here. I'm gonna mark that, sorry guys. And if we see that, and we really need to hold this because we have an untested daily candle here, right? But if we go here, it's kind of the last untested candle, and since we already hold this one so many times, we might see a bigger move than just 5% down. Okay, we might just go to the next range, the one that we did not test below 100k. So I really want to hold this, and just try to break up. Because if we don't attack this previous range, okay, no, sorry, this previous, yeah, let me go to the 4. If we don't attack this previous range and we hold down this one, yeah, we might just be creating and staying inside this range in the future, okay? It's kind of a big move here of 5%. And on the next hours, I don't believe we are going to go above or below this range. We might just stay here for the next day or the next hours, okay? Unless we get a lot of volatility, of course, on the Monday. So I believe I said everything here, guys. I also have some levels on the lower time frames, but I kind of don't want to talk about them just because I want to focus on the higher time frames right now. Okay, thank you so much and see you guys on the next video. Thank you.